Hey guys, welcome to my video on this exploration cruise ship. I added a full interior. Anyways, let me get started and showing you everything about it. First of all, it's a length of 128 blocks, a width of 20 blocks, and a height of 22 blocks. It looks like this at night. Anyways, here's side view. Side view at night. Here's front view. Front view at night. Back view. Back view at night. And last but not least, top view. And top view at night. Now let me get started and showing you a tour of this ship. Okay, so first of all, here's the control room, which has a bunch of computers, as you can see. Right over here is another control room. Anyways, this is a swimming pool, as you can see. And now let's move inside. So this is an indoor sports room, which has a running track. And inside the running track is a golf course. All these white things on the ground are golf balls. Right here's a view room, which has an excellent view. Over here is an elevator. I'll show you what the elevator looks like later. What inside the elevator looks like later. Anyways, here's a buffet. Here's all the food. Here's another elevator. Here's a theater. Right here is backstage of the theater. And right down here is another theater. Here's an elevator room. And right here is the most epic room of them all. And this is a Nerf play battlefield / capture the flag arena. And right here is an elevator room. Right here are two spas. Here's one of them, and here's the other. Here's a casino. Personally, I'm not a fan of casinos, but a lot of cruise ships have them, so I just added one. Right here's the balcony, which has a bunch of rescue boats in it. Right here is right here is Circle C. And here is Circle K. Circle C and Circle K are basically just two teenage programs on cruise ships in which there are activities for teenagers to do. Anyways, now let me move on to downstairs. So here's the first floor of hotel rooms. And as you can see, it's a huge hallway of them. Right here is a breakfast cafe. And all the way over here is a check-in room, which looks like this. Anyways, moving on. This is the other floor of hotel rooms, which is basically the same as the first one, except the floor is red. Right here is the breakfast cafe. which looks like this. And all the way on the other side is a check-in room. This check-in room is a little bit smaller than the first floors, because this check-in room, yeah, this is just a little bit smaller. Anyways, this is how each of the hotel rooms looks like. It has a bunk bed, all this stuff, and right here's a bathroom, which looks like this. So yeah. By the way, this cruise ship has over 60 hotel rooms, I counted. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed my video on this epic cruise ship, and please remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.